Okay, so if you have a problem with your van where this thing doesn't work anymore, the problem is going to be this. These are located by lifting this up. It takes a little bit of effort. Sometimes this piece comes out and it'll leave the bottom piece, but they both come out as one unit sometimes. And all these yellow things are what you need to push down. Once you've discovered this, the button is usually here and it has a little spring in it, and you push the button up and down and this little thing goes in and out. So what happens is that there's a little plastic piece that breaks, that slides inside of this little channel. In order for you to fix it, you need to get a little piece of copper, cut it a little bit bigger, because it could go in here into the slot. The way it goes into the slot and then moves it up and down the channel once it's inside is what's going to allow you to use the button again. All right, so the way that works is that there's also a spring in here. You got to be careful not to lose it, like I almost did. And what you do is the little curve that goes towards the top is there, and you put it inside. And I lost my spring. Not a problem. If you need to take it out, again, put it in here. Be very careful. Once you put it inside, before you push it all the way in. Okay. This thing came out, not a big deal. By the way, this was drilled with a little 1/16 drill bit. And I got a piece of copper from an electrical cable.
Really?
Yes. And once you put it in like that, it goes in like this, and you push it in all the way, and then then the button works. Sort of. Okay. And now the button works. And you can put this back on. Make sure that everything is ready to go. And you position, push it there. And that's how you fix this. Save yourself some money. Okay.